What is going on, everyone? This is Amgad, back to you with another video. And do you guys remember a little device called Apple Vision Pro? Yeah, I remember that too. And you know what? It died really quickly. I don't see headlines, I don't see videos, I don't see pretty much anyone talking about it anymore. It was more of this trend, and now it kind of died off on its own. Either one of the two things. Either the Apple Vision Pro is ahead of its time, just like Vine, just like the short form content when it was announced back in 2016 and 2017 with Vine, Dubsmash, etc. Musically even. And now TikTok has taken over the world. I think it's the same thing with the Apple Vision Pro, where it's really ahead of its time. We're not in the future, quote unquote, yet. Or it's either that reason that it's ahead of its time, or people just don't care, and the common smartphone that we all use is just a lot more convenient, and we kind of got pretty personal with our phones these days. I mean, we see families now, I'm talking families. And the husband wouldn't give the password to his wife, or the kids wouldn't give the password to their parents, etc, etc. We became so personally attached to these devices. And I don't think the Vision Pro has become mature enough to replace the phone. And by the way, I've made a full video on how virtual VRs in general, whether it's AR or VRs, are not replacing your phone any soon. I'll leave that link in the eye right here, or in the description below. But again, it all comes down to the big price tag, and that most people, when they bought it, just returned it back to Apple. I haven't personally tried the Apple Vision Pro for obvious reasons, but I really think that it's a first gen product. We're not ready for it. It's just too expensive. But again, if we're gonna assume that it's about the price tag, rich people that bought it kept it in the drawer and really never used it. Look at Twitter, look at X right now. People are making fun of it. People are making fun of how it died so quickly. But more importantly, let me know all of your thoughts in the comment section below. Let me know, what do you think? Do you think it died so quickly? Do you think it's because of the price tag, or because it's a first gen product, or because it's ahead of its time, or all of the reasons combined? Let me know all of your thoughts in the comment section below. And thanks a lot for watching the videos, liking, subscribing. It really means a lot, you guys. As always, this was Amgad, and I'll see you in the next video.